What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video, we are going to do a cardio HIIT training that's going to help encourage you to get shape and build that endurance and also build that muscle. Now, with that being said, we're going to have 4 different exercises. Each exercise is going to last about 30 seconds. So you're going to get 30 seconds in between those sets in order to, gather yourself up and get yourself back together. So 10 seconds between the workouts. Now, with that being said, subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications so you don't miss a beat, and follow me. And if you want to see the alternative version, make sure you check out my Instagram at nathen.mixon. All right, let's get started. All right, so I don't know what happened there, but the mic went out for whatever reason. So we're just going to do his voiceover real quick. And we're going to start off with the ski jumpers. The ski jumpers are awesome for building up that cardio endurance. Now, I definitely suggest that you do some kind of ankle rotations before you start this actual workout, because if you're jumping on concrete like I am, it can be a little bit more tough. Now, with that being said, this is going to work those quadriceps. It's also going to work the core and also build up that endurance. So if you're really trying to make a sweat and actually warm up, this is the perfect way to start off, okay? Keep your feet as close together as possible, and remember to always engage that core. Take a break, and while you're at this break for this 10 seconds, subscribe to the channel and turn on those push notifications, and let's get ready to transition right into that mountain climber. All right, so your shoulder's gonna be right over your wrist. That's very important to help keep your body stabilized. It's also gonna help you keep your butt down as low as possible. Keep your head in a neutral position. So that means you should be looking directly at the ground. You can look forward too, but that might hinder your breathing. All right, drive your knees as close to your chest as possible, and just keep a nice little, momentum going on there. So when one foot hits the ground, bring that other foot right back up to that chest, and you should be good to go there. All right, take your break. Subscribe to this channel, by the way. I got to do my own promotion to the joint. I don't know what I'm doing right there. That's not part of the workout. Actually, I knew what I was doing. All right, anyway, we're doing the run in place next. So run in place is a great way to build your cardio. You can run anywhere, do this particular workout anywhere that you are located. So if you're in your living room, you're outside, you can go run in the park, whatever you want to do. But the key here is to drive those knees up as high as possible. The more you pump your arms, this is the secret here, the more you pump your arms, the higher those knees are going to go, okay? Engage in the core. This will help work your core, the glutes, pretty much a full body workout. All right. Take your break, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends too. I like how I'm doing that. All right, anyway, start flexing. We getting ready to go into some overtime here with these burpees. All right, we're going all the way to the ground. So make sure you bring yourself flat to the ground. Make sure you watch your surroundings too. Right now, I am on concrete, so you just gotta be careful of your surroundings. If you're outside, watch out for like dog turds and stuff like that, because they're out there. All right, I think there was one in front of me at one point at some time. But anyway, feet about shoulder width apart, engage in the core. This is a full body workout, so just be prepared for that, and it's really gonna make you sweat. And after this, you're gonna do it 3 more times. All right, so that's set 1. I hope you all enjoyed that short video. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Remember, the alternative version is going to be on my Instagram, so if you want to see how that's done there, make sure you check me out on that screen. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel, because I know you already did that in the beginning, so turn on your push notifications, because I know you already did that too. But also share this with your friends and make sure we get this word out. Anyway, I'm talking too fast. Gotta go. Peace. Video, we are going to do a cardio HIIT training. It's not going to be just me this time. I have next to me, and she's gonna help me train in this video. Now, with that being said, don't get discouraged, because she had Cheetos, she had beer, she had, what else? Wings, and no water. So that's her pre-workout right there. So if she dies, she died. Keep it up, keep it up. We got about 15 seconds left. Nice and easy. Oh man.
You could be a personal trainer.
You're gonna be a star anyway.
No.